Mic check, 1 2 1 2. What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP. Now check this out. Not too long ago, I made a video. Actually, it's 3 weeks ago. I made a video showing you guys how to design some custom slides using that Cadworxlive free software, free editing software. Well, you know what, y'all? I got my custom slides in, baby. All right, so we're gonna get right into that right after my intro. All right, so like I said, I designed those custom slides with you guys 3 weeks ago. If you didn't see that video, make sure you go check out that video. I put it up right here. You guys didn't see the process. All right, so we got the slides. It came in this nice small box right here. All right, so we're gonna do this unboxing together. Right after I made the design video, I probably submitted the artwork like around the same time, maybe that same day or the next day. And today is, it took about 20 days. It took about 20 days to get the package to me. So let me go ahead and open this thing up. I don't want to delay no more because I'm pretty much excited. I want to see how they came out as well. What's good though? Y'all been good? Huh? Did you miss me? Your boy been busy. Ooh. Alright. First things first. Look, they came in like some type of like mesh. I'm gonna come in closer, I can see. Some type of like bullshit fabric. All right, so let's just pull them up out of the fabric. It's like a nice little, I don't know. Feels like some type of like dryer sheet bag. Slide these things out. Or just rip the bag. Ooh. Yo. Oh, I think I like these. All right, y'all. So here you go. Here's the sample of the unfamous slide. You got that red, white, and black colorway. My favorite colorway. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that. It's in my logo. And I'm liking what I'm seeing, y'all. I'm going to come in close so y'all can see some of the details, all right? Across the strap, all right, you got that embossed, nice, unfamous logo that I came up with. It's nice, y'all. Lettering nice and puffy. They got that, they did everything to my specifics. You got your red star, you got your black lettering with the red contour around the lettering. You got that nice pattern I told them to put around the font logo. All right, you got your nice unfamous on the top of the slide underneath your foot, nicely printed there. Just like the Adidas, got your nice size 11. All right, these are nice, y'all. The strap feels real good. Colors look real good. I mean, it is a sample. I see, like, you know, just like some small, like, little flaws here, little small, like, light indentation there. That's nothing major, though. You know, slight little, you know, small, like, glue residue. That ain't nothing, though. But yo, these joints came out fire. Now what I'm gonna do is, y'all, we just hold both of them up together. Joints came out pretty nice. All right, now I'm wearing my Adidas joints right now. All right, so let me take one of them off real quick, and we're just gonna do a comparison. All right, now these are my all-time favorite classic Adidas. All right, I got a million pairs of these. You know, my wife's always complaining that these shits is all over the place, but hey, it is what it is. I love them. All right, so we're just gonna look at the details in this joint real quick. Pretty much the same goddamn sole. Look at it, same bottom. They got the size 11 right there, but they got the embossed Adidas on the side of the slide. I didn't want that, and they got the Adidas puts the size in the rest of the specifics inside their strap as well. All right, feel wise, they pretty much feel the same. Sizing, if you compare them size to size, mine looks like it's a little bit bigger than the actual Adidas. You know what? Hold on. I'm acting like a clown right now. Right now, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, just a slight size difference. But yo, I'm pleased though. Before this video ends, I'm gonna do it on foot. Like I said, I'm pleased with these joints. Now, before this video ends, y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification button so you never miss nothing. And leave in the comments, tell me if you're feeling these joints or not. I might do a pre-order on these joints. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do it though. But let me give y'all a quick little breakdown. The sample, to get the sample made and the shipping, everything was $103. Hey, might seem like a lot for a sample to some, might not seem like a lot to others, but hey, I wanted to get these samples made, so I paid the $103. What the hell? Huh? What you want me to say? I got it done. But I actually designed another pair as well. I'm going to get those pair made as well, but we couldn't come to a mutual agreement on the price that they wanted to charge me. You know what I'm saying? To make that specific sample. They're talking about the process takes way longer and it's harder, so they try to hit me with some astronomical number. You know, I don't play those games. I said, hell no, go shove it. So I said, you know what? Just make me one pair. In this way, I can test the quality of this one pair, and if I like it, I can still get both made. And I didn't want a chance if I didn't like them, I would have been out of a shitload of money for no reason. You know what I'm saying? And that sample would have just been laying around here. All right, but I love them. They smell good. Let me put them on my feet real quick. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, these joints is popping. Oh, yo, these joints is wow, comfy. These slides is, let me move the mic. These slides is so comfortable, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let me do this quick on foot with y'all, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Hey, yo, but I want to run something by y'all real quick. All right. All right, I need y'all to do something for me. I have more people coming through my channel viewing and not actually subscribing. And I know that, y'all, because of analytics. All right, so this is how I'm going to do. If you want to know where I got these slides made from, you got to make sure you actually are a subscriber. Follow me on IG and hit me with a DM, and I'll let you know all the information pertaining to where I got these joints from. But you know what? I'm not putting it down in the description. You know why? Because some of y'all is ungrateful. Y'all doing me dirty, all right? You coming through, you getting all this free information, and you not subscribing. All I ask for you is to just simply subscribe, baby. Huh? I'm hitting you with all this quality. Yo, show your boy some love, baby. Y'all don't got love for Mr. DCYLP? I know you coming through all the time because I see the analytics. You might as well just hit that button, take that time to subscribe to my channel. Can you do me that? Can you do me that solid? All right, that's how I'm going to do things from now on. All right, enough of that rant. But let me get to the on-foot look. This joint is hard, y'all. Like I said, I wear a size 11. They did a phenomenal job. Phenomenal. What y'all think? Y'all gotta leave it in the comments though. What y'all think? Did they kill it or what? Let me know how you feel. Did they kill it? Told you. Alright, so that's it, y'all, for this video. Like I said, make sure y'all leave the comment below. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit me up on IG and actually follow me there, and I'll give you all the information pertaining to these slides. Alright, that's it for this one, y'all. Skip.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.